Here's something I got on Amazon recently that quite impressed me. It's a mini fluid head that has some features normally only found on larger heads. And when I say mini, here it is beside one of the average size fluid heads I normally use for my videos. It's entirely made from metal, well, apart from the rubber pad on the top and the rubber grip on the handle. It has an Arca Swiss quick release plate with a spirit level underneath. There's a 3/8 inch socket and a 1/4 inch adapter included, with an Allen key being held in place magnetically. The best thing about this is that, despite its size, the pan and tilt movements are properly fluid dampened, just like on the bigger, more expensive video heads. And the tilt motion is even spring-loaded. Being so small and lightweight, it takes more of a gentle touch to get movements quite as smooth as on big heavy tripod heads because it's missing that extra weight, but you can still get some nice smooth movements. I really like this because it's compact enough to fit in a small camera bag, and because it has that fluid dampening, it lets you get moving shots that aren't really possible with most mini tripod heads. I'll leave a link below if you want to check it out. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.